So today's the day we are moving down south. We're up in Michigan where it snowed last night.
Freezing.
It is freezing. And there's snow all over my car. I guess mostly slush. And you can see all the little snows. Jaren's getting ready. He's getting everything packed up while I'm sitting inside with the girls and Jackson's in the truck. We're getting ready to go. We're ready for this warm weather, for sure. It's cold. Look at that. You can see all the slushy stuff. Alright, let's head. Oh, we gotta go to Discount Tire first to go get new tires on the RV. Nothing wrong with these. We're just getting 14 ply. Let's see if I get that right.
Yep.
Instead of the ones that we already have, because these could pop at any time and we don't want to blow out at all. So we're getting them changed up. Now that Jaren's almost done, I'm gonna go outside and ask him if he needs any help. You need any help? Do you need any help?
Now that you're done.
No, I'm all warm and toasty now. You got everything?
Everything fits in the chairs.
They'll fit after we take the tires out.
Yeah, after we get the tires out.
Where are you going to shove them at?
Yeah.
You can put them in the bathroom.
They'll melt everywhere.
Oh. We don't know what to do with you. I'm a worm.
I'd say we have to do this in the condo, right?
Yeah, we won't have to do it again.
It's gonna have to work for now.
We will.
Yeah, let's go on that side.
It's frozen. Am I helping you? See what Jackson's doing. Hi, buddy. Your iPad? It's in your backpack? Yeah. You've just been sitting here doing nothing?
I'm gonna move back. I'm gonna move back.
Okay. Go back to the warm car. There's Willow. Willow Jane! What are you doing? You're playing your game? You ready to go? Okay, here we go. We drive all the way to Discount Tire. We had an appointment. Wait in line. Do all that. Then they told Jaren that they cannot put the tires on because they want us to buy their tires. We bought the best for our vehicle and they won't put them on, so now we're going to a different place. So, boo you, Discount Tire, boo you. Jaren just walked over here and told me that Discount Tire was going to ship the tires off to this place and then get them shipped back to Discount Tire to put them on. So we're just going to stay here and get the tires done. $100, be done.
There go the girls, right there. Just me and my little buddy. Don't got the knuckles.
Look at the wheels.
Look at those big old tires. They're as big as you. Saying goodbye to the Chinese tires. What do you think? We're
Are
gonna some...
Chinese ones?
Yeah, they were Chinese. We're gonna get the good stuff now. Oh, I think they're already on. Let's go check them out. All right, here are the new tires. 14 ply, G rated. That's the size if you guys are gonna wanna get some. A lot more meat on the bones. Look at that.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. No, because I don't want any issues. So here we go. So Jackson and I are hanging out at the tire shop while they put these new tires on. Sounds like he's doing some mixing some beats up or something. The girls have already left us.
Look.
We're actually at this tire shop right
Look what
there.
I'm doing.
Shout them out that they can actually do the tires on like Discount Tire. Can I get a amen? All my brothers and sisters at the tire shop. All right, getting some tires. Let's give thanks for good tire shops. Give it to me. So I went and grabbed the sticker off the tire so you guys can exactly see what's going on the fifth wheel. Now, these were recommended by a lot of full-time families. I saw them on Instagram, YouTube, and I was like, all right, if these are that good, I'm going to pick up a set also. They ended up being like just a little over $600 for all four. So I don't want to butcher this name. Sooooo all steel radial tire. That's the exact brand right here. You can see the specs here, 14 ply, load range G. Like I said, I don't want to have any issues. All right, got my little co-pilot with me. Dude's been doing awesome. Gonna go see what Molly and the girls are doing. They're supercharging over there. Hey, what are you doing in the front? What are you doing in the front seat? You're tired.
You mean the car's been driving itself? I've been taking a
Yeah,
nap.
poor thing. You poor thing. Is it time for us to swap? You pull the fifth wheel now and I take this?
In your dreams.
That'd be so nice. Just me and my little co-pilot. Right now we're just hanging out with Molly. While she charges up.
Makes a clicking noise.
Yeah, my first time supercharging, I heard a BAM! I was like, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's like stuff that activates and she called me and was like, what was that noise? I was like, it's just what it does. Sometimes it makes popping noises. It's just battery and wattage and yeah. It's charging pretty quickly though.
But earlier it was 545 miles per hour.
Yeah, so normally when you get to about like 90%, I think, the kilowatts start kind of coming down to protect your battery so it doesn't overheat it and stuff, which is pretty good. And Molly doesn't have a heavy foot, so she can go further. With me, it's like the miles are gone. Look at this guy.
It's money.
He just backed on up and was like, I don't care, not my truck. No one buy this truck here. I don't know the VIN number, but ooh. All right, this is where we separate each other. Here are your sunglasses.
Thank you.
Enjoy your autopilot.
I'll take a nap.
Yeah, right. See you at the campground. Massaging off right there. Somehow it's taking me through the city. We're gonna do a little sightseeing.
I got him again.
Interesting with a 42-foot fifth wheel. It literally feels like we just moved into a new house and we're like eating on the floor and stuff because everything's still packed away. Here's the stools.
Yeah.
Remember like when we used to move into a new house, we'd eat pizza and just like sit on the floor? That's what it feels like in like literally the RV. Like they see it straight right now, but it's literally like this. Because I just whipped in.
This is
He's like, who cares? We're
I'm
moving
not,
tomorrow.
yeah. Because I'm not unhooking. Our goal is to like every single night unhook, like not unhook, just keep going.
But we're on a hill right now.
We are on a hill. Like I'm gonna show you guys. It's like even if I unhooked, it would still be super sketchy. Like no, yeah. Show them, Lily. No, go that way. So we just grabbed a little bit of Subway. Probably gonna pop in the shower. Watch all the water gonna like run that way. And then we'll be at it again tomorrow.